Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard lag or glitching on your iPhone on iOS 17. So the only thing that you can do that force restart. So it's very simple. Just touch and release power volume up down button, then touch and release volume down button, then touch and keep pressing power button right here. So let's see, volume up, volume down, and keep pressing power button about 10 seconds until your iPhone will turn off. So it's all done. Now you'll see Apple logo, and just wait until your iPhone restart. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.